Welcome to 3116 Silver Springs Drive in Richardson, Texas, but we are in Plano schools. So this is a new listing. We are coming on the market pretty soon. By the time you see this video, chances are we are already on the market. So we're gonna flip the camera around and take a look around. Alrighty, so here we are at 3116 Silver Springs. Here we go into the front of the house. So cool little patio home, patio style home. So we got a little courtyard up here. Right in here, that way, pardon me. Right in there, we have the eat-in kitchen. So we have a breakfast area. This is gonna be the living room. And then here's our main door right here. We're gonna go inside. All right, here we go. Okay, so this is proper wood floor. Now, there's nothing in the house right now, so it's a little echoey. So I'm gonna kind of keep my volume down a little bit, or attempt to, so it's not too loud. But this home's designed really well. A lot of light for a patio home. So we have, this is, you know, a formal dining room. It can be extra living room. I'm standing in the living room as well. We have a little wet bar right here. This is a pass-through fireplace. This is a skylight up there. Back up a little, show you the space. Again, this is proper hardwood. All right, here we go. This is another little living room. This could be used as a dining room as well, depending on what you're trying to do. This is our side yard right here, and it goes into a really decent sized backyard as well. So all bedrooms are back here. We'll get to that in a moment. And look at this kitchen. Isn't that gorgeous? Granite countertops, fresh appliances. Check out this pantry. You don't see this very often anymore. Look at all this storage. Isn't that fantastic? Look at this. Look at that. It goes on and on. Love it. Good design too. Sometimes these are, they kind of, you know, hit each other as you're opening them. That was designed pretty well. So there's our pantry. Yeah. Stainless steel appliances. This is that little courtyard. That's where we walked in, and we're in the eat-in breakfast area right now. Washer and dryer goes here. 2-car garage here off the front of the house. Tons of countertop space. And the island, a lot of these islands I find in this price point don't always have power on them. They're just an island, they don't have power. I really like that it has power. So you put a mixer on there, or you know, I use my blender on our island all the time. So, okay, so let's go outside first. So this is a patio home. It's a, you know, patio zero lot and that kind of thing. Get the door closed behind me. I'm going to show you around where we are. Okay, so this brick wall is the neighbor's house, and this is all of our yard right here for this property. That is that living room. This is the kitchen window over the sink, and that is the front of the house. So, kind of lift you up here a little bit so you can see. So that's where we came in. And there's a gate right here. Then you go all the way back, and this is our side yard. So, great place to put a patio, like a patio set, like you're gonna eat outside. It's right off the kitchen. And then you can make your way. There's 2 ways to get to the proper backyard. Look, they got a little you know, basketball deal. So let's get this guy open. And then here's our backyard. So for a smaller home like this, it's low maintenance, obviously, because it is a patio home, patio slash like zero lot line style home. And it's a pretty good sized backyard. This is a good sized backyard for really any house. So here we are. Here's our backyard. And that's that gate that we just came in. HVAC is back here. A little pergola. And these doors right here, and we'll get to that in a second, these doors are off of the master bedroom. So, cool. Come out here, drink your coffee in the morning, in the evening, drink your wine or cocktails or whatever works for you. All right, let's go back inside. Yeah, cool little home. All right, so now we're back in the house. That's that pass-through fireplace, wet bar, kitchen. All right, let's go back to the bedrooms. Okay, we have one bedroom here off to the left, another bedroom here. This is the bath for these two bedrooms and for, you know, if you have guests over, and then the master is over there, so. This window right here looks off the side of the house, that little side yard that we were just in. Nice tall ceilings, closet space, and there's plenty of storage in this house. Storage here, storage here, and then another bedroom, and that looks off the backyard that we were just in. Remember that HVAC unit right there? So that is where we were, and this looks off that room. So also more closet space, little cubby for, you know, whatever. I don't really use those, but some people like to decorate, especially for kids. It's fun to put, like, you know, your little knick-knack things on there. Here's the bathroom. Also been updated, tons of updates through this house. So that window looks off the back of the yard as well. It's nice and tall, so you get some decent privacy without having to cover it, but you can always, you know, frost it or, you know, put some kind of window covering on it to get privacy. And this is that master bedroom. So tons of light. It's right off that pergola that you saw out there. So I'm gonna get that in exposure. There we go. So you can see that a little bit better. So, and then here's our master bath. So, hello. Okay, so double sinks, proper tub, walk-in shower. This is our water closet to our left. And then here is our closet. So nice storage built in here. Taller ceiling, so if you have some seasonal stuff that you want to put up there, you can easily put some shelves in, do a little more storage. And that is about it. All right, so that is about all I have to show you on this house. It's a great house. Again, we're in Richardson. We are in Plano Schools, and we are probably on market when you're seeing this video. Yeah, it's a cool house. It's a great house. Houses in this neighborhood right now are moving quick. So, something to think about. If you'd like to take a look at this home in person, let me know. We'll schedule a showing. We'll come out here for a private tour of the property. Or if you want to look at this house virtually from anywhere in the world, I can also do that. We can do FaceTime, we can do Zoom meeting, whatever works for you. We also have this video for a tour. We have a virtual tour for the property as well. All of our listings have virtual tours, and I'll put a link below or around this video somewhere that talks about the pricing and the you know, our still photos and things like that. So that's all I have. My name is Jordan Bellinger. I'm with the Bacon Bellinger Real Estate Group at Coldwell Banker Apex in North Texas. So comment below, message me if you need anything, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.